everyone, I'm Crystal Cruz. Tonight on News West 9 at 6, David Wilson's legal team was back in the courtroom. You'll recall Wilson was the homeowner who shot and killed a Midland police officer back in 2019, who at the time was responding to an alarm that went off at Wilson's home. Christina Burgess was at the hearing today between Wilson's team and the Lydia Security Company, one of the security companies that Wilson is filing a lawsuit against. Christina, what did they talk about?
Yeah, Crystal, today's hearing was held because the defendant, Lydia Security Monitoring, has filed a motion to compel. They're claiming that the plaintiff, David Wilson, has produced too many documents, and they're asking that the judge have the plaintiff only produce documents that are relevant to this matter. Now, those 145,000 file names were shown in court today as Exhibit B at the beginning of today's hearing. Inside Judge Rogers' 142nd District Courtroom, the defendants in this hearing, Lydia Security Monitoring, started off by showing that, quote, too many documents were received and claimed that many files were hard to find. They also claimed that it looked like file names were changed and some files did not have file extensions. The defendant said in court that this is, quote, frowned upon, excessive, and they just dumped it on them. He asked Judge Rogers to have Wilson's team give them files in a better manner so they can access them better, because they say if there's relevant stuff in the files, it could be buried. Wilson's legal team told the judge there was a spreadsheet produced by Wilson with a list of properties. Wilson's team also said in court that, quote, everything we're going to use in trial has been produced. We haven't changed anything. He goes on to say that they did this in, quote, for an abundance of caution, so they can't say we didn't give them everything, end quote. You remember back in 2021, Wilson was found not guilty, and his team also filed a lawsuit against Lydia Security Monitoring and BAM Security for system failures that led to the officer's death. And now Judge Rogers should have a ruling on this by this week. The trial date is still set for January 8th, 2024. Reporting in Midland for News West 9, I'm Christina Burgess.